Have you ever wondered how AI sees the world? It's all about resolution. Resolution in AI is a fundamental concept that determines how well an AI system can interpret and understand visual data. In the world of AI, resolution is like eyesight for machines. The higher the resolution, the more details an AI can capture and analyze, just like how our eyes work. Just like our eyes use pixels to see, AI uses data points to understand images and information. These data points are crucial for the AI to make accurate interpretations and decisions. Think of your phone's camera. When you take a photo, the camera captures the scene in pixels. A higher megapixel count means sharper pictures, right? This is because more pixels mean more detail. Similarly, higher resolution in AI means more data points, leading to more detailed insights. The more data points an AI has, the better it can understand and interpret the information. This is crucial for AI applications that rely on visual data, like facial recognition and self-driving cars. These systems need high resolution to function accurately and safely. The clearer the vision, the better the AI performs. High resolution allows AI to achieve precise results, making it more effective in various applications. Let's take the example of facial recognition. This technology relies heavily on the quality of the images it processes. With higher resolution, AI can detect even the tiniest details on your face, such as subtle skin textures, fine lines, and minor blemishes. It can measure the distance between your eyes, the shape of your cheekbones, and even the curvature of your lips with remarkable accuracy. This makes facial recognition systems more accurate and reliable, reducing the chances of errors and false positives. The same principle applies to autonomous vehicles. These vehicles depend on high-resolution cameras and sensors to navigate safely. High-resolution cameras and sensors allow these cars to see the road, pedestrians, and other vehicles with incredible precision. They can detect obstacles, read traffic signs, and even anticipate the actions of other drivers. This level of detail is crucial for making safe driving decisions, ensuring that the vehicle can respond appropriately to any situation. Whether it's recognizing a stop sign, detecting a pedestrian crossing the street, or identifying a cyclist in the bike lane, resolution is key to ensuring safety on the road. The higher the resolution, the better the AI can perform its tasks, leading to safer and more efficient systems. Now, how does AI process all this high-resolution data? It's a fascinating journey that involves complex algorithms and immense computational power. That's where deep learning comes in. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers to analyze various types of data. Deep learning models, especially convolutional neural networks or CNNs, are designed to analyze visual information efficiently. These networks mimic the human brain's way of processing visual data. Think of CNNs as the brains behind image recognition. They can identify objects, faces, and even emotions in images with remarkable accuracy. They learn to identify patterns and features from massive datasets of images. The more data they process, the better they become at recognizing intricate details. The higher the resolution of these images, the more information CNNs have to work with, leading to more accurate predictions and decisions. High-resolution data provides a richer set of features for the AI to analyze. This is particularly important in healthcare, where high-resolution medical images are crucial for accurate diagnosis and treatment. AI can assist doctors by highlighting potential issues that might be missed by the human eye. In the future, we can expect even more incredible advancements in high-resolution AI. As sensor technology improves and AI algorithms become more sophisticated, the possibilities are endless. Imagine medical imaging systems that can detect diseases at their earliest stages, or autonomous robots that can navigate complex environments with ease. High-resolution AI will continue to revolutionize various industries, from healthcare and transportation to entertainment and beyond. As we enter a new era of AI, it's clear that resolution will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of this transformative technology.